Indoor Wi-Fi camera ad instruction. Equipment preparation. Power on the camera. How to view by app. Firstly, scan code to download C's app.
Scan the QR code for the latest version.
Secondly, register and login app. Thirdly, add the device by app. Smart connection. Open the C's app. It will pop up the device model IPC C518 and click Add to. Select the Wi-Fi you need to connect to, and input the Wi-Fi password. Set a name for the device, click Confirm. AP Hotspot Edition. First, click plus to scan the QR code on the body. Click the top right icon to switch to another way to add. Choose AP Hotspot Edition. Check Connected and tap Next. Connect to your Wi-Fi and enter the password. Confirm it. Join the Wi-Fi. Set a name for the device, click Confirm. Install the camera. Find a suitable installation location. Attach the installation sticker. Drill holes as shown in the picture, and nail in the rubber plugs. Fix the camera to the mounting sticker with screws and adjust it to the right angle.